Hi, I'm Joe from Knows Welding. Today we're going to be talking about saving jobs on the URANOS and URANOS NX range of machines. Let's get to it. Okay, so we're in a situation where we have a setting on the machine that we would like to save. Maybe it's that we're going to be switching over to a different job. Maybe there are various people using the machine who all like to use different settings. So to save the job, firstly, we'll press and hold the program button. This takes us into the Save a Job menu. We now need to select the slot into which we will save the job. In this case, job number 6 is empty. So we'll select this by pressing the Save button. From here, we would name the job anything we like. In this case, we'll call it How To. Save to exit. And we're finished. So now we're in a situation where we want to recall the job. Same as before, we press the program button, but rather than holding it down, we just press it. We can then scroll back to the job as it was saved. In this case, it was job number 6, How To. Press the encoder, and we're ready to go. For more information on using bowler welding machines, please keep an eye out for further videos, or alternatively, get in contact with us directly. Thanks very much.